Once again, welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. For you today, something simple, something fast, something nutritious. What is it? The best baked rice and beans you ever are going to taste. Now just look at this. Now I'm serving this with a little bit of light, low fat cheese, but you can use sour cream if you want. And you know, when all the juices and everything blends into the rice, and with the beans, that just fills you up and holds you without those hunger pains all day. Now what you do is try taking this to work and see how that works for you. Okay, let's grab an oven-proof dish and let's add 2 cups of Basmati rice or any other type of long grain rice that you like. Okay, here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. If it's too much, just put half a teaspoon. Add about 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. And this is an option. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt or to your taste. Add about 2 tablespoons of parsley. If you're really into parsley, you know you can add a lot more. Now let's add a 1/4 cup of your favorite olive oil. Now let's start mixing and mixing. And I want this completely blended right through, just like this, when the rice turns a little bit dark like this. Now here I'm adding 1 16-ounce jar of tomato salsa, so it's going to be a little on the hot side. But if you want it homemade, just look below and I will give you a link on my tomato sauce. Now here comes the goodies. 2 cans of kidney beans. I'm using red here, and I have rinsed and drained them. But you know, you can use other type of beans if you do not like these type. Okay, now let's add 2.5 cups of chicken broth, and of course, if anybody knows me, it has to be low sodium. Now I want you to wrap it very tightly with aluminum foil, and when you put it in the oven, I want you to put a cookie tray on top to keep the pressure on. Now put it in an oven 350 degrees preheated, and I want it to go for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and tender. Okay, it's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes, and here it is. Be careful, it's very hot. Let's see how it turned out. Look at that. Absolutely thing of perfection. But it's very important that you taste the rice at this point and make sure if it's tender. If it's not, it has to go back into the oven. Add a little bit of water if you want, and until it is done. So here it is, and once you know that the rice is tender to your liking, I want you to start mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. Now this can be served right away, and you can serve it with cheese or sour cream or cheddar cheese, whatever topping you would like. As for me, what I like about this dish is I can take it to work, and it heats up really fast in the microwave. So once again, all I can say now is that we have to go now, so it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.